Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to enable Face ID or fingerprint login in the N26 app for faster access. First, open the app and log in using your email and password or PIN. After that, once you've done logging in, tap on your profile icon, go to settings and select security. Then, turn on Face ID or fingerprint option. Follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Confirm your fingerprint or face scan. The feature will now be active. Then close the app, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, look for N26, swipe it away, wait for a few hours and reopen it and try logging in using the Face ID or fingerprint to ensure that it works. Keep your fingers and phone sensor clean for accurate recognition. That's how to enable Face ID or fingerprint on the N26 app. Subscribe for more banking guides.